Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix and factory reset Android phone when locked. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I have an Android phone, but I can't remember the screen password I used to unlock my phone, and now my Android phone is locked. I think I need to factory reset it to regain access to my Android phone. Can someone tell me how to factory reset Android phone when locked? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here, when how to reset Android phone when locked occurs. No need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to factory reset an Android phone that is locked problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Unable to reset locked phone. The solution here is to enter recovery mode. When you forget the PIN, password or pattern lock of your Android phone, it means that you cannot access your Android device normally. If this happens to you, it is undoubtedly an anxious situation. You may not be able to contact your family and friends in time, use the device for work, etc. And to factory reset a locked Android phone is also very simple. Just enter recovery mode and then restore the phone to factory settings. But restoring the phone to factory settings will wipe out all the data on the Android phone. If you need the data on your Android phone, please back up the data in the phone before factory restoring. To factory reset, you need to do this. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to drain. Connect the phone to the computer using a USB cable. This is the official troubleshooting mode, so it is safe to try. Now, follow the steps corresponding to your Android phone brand to enter recovery mode. For Samsung Galaxy phones, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to find the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option, and then use the power button to select it. Then, select Yes to trigger the reset process. For Google Pixel phones, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight Recovery Mode, and then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Then, use the volume buttons and the power button to select the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option to trigger the reset process. For Huawei or Honor phones, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to find the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option, and then use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, after waiting for the phone to turn on and complete the relevant settings, the problem of the Android phone being locked will disappear. Cause 2. Unable to enter recovery mode. The solution here is to go to the nearest brand after sales center. If your Android phone cannot enter recovery mode or cannot enter recovery mode for some reason, you may not be able to factory reset Android phone when locked out yourself. If you need the device as soon as possible, you can also take the phone to the nearest brand after sales center immediately and let the staff help you reset a locked Android phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix and factory reset Android phone when it's locked, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright, now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.